Hi guys. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the iPhone 10. Here's my case. This came like 6 days before the phone. I got this like a week ago. Got this today. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful case. Even just like holding this and looking at it. It's so small. I'm nervous because I'm coming from a 7 Plus and just seems so small. But this box, let's see what the real phone looks like. That's just my initial thoughts based on a case. You don't know what the phone's gonna look like, what it's gonna feel like. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna open the box first, because I'm sure it's a box in a box. Ready, set, activate. Here's your SIM card. Okay. I don't know, and my iPhones always came with the SIM card already in it. I never had to put a SIM card in my iPhone. And I've been an iPhone user since iPhone 4. So, I mean, I know there was SIM cards in there, but I never had to put one in there myself. That's real old school stuff. Now we're talking everything to enjoy. Xfinity Mobile is inside. Happy unboxing. I hope it is. Oh, it's a return information. Hopefully I ain't got to return it. Last time when I got my iPhone 7 Plus, they gave me the wrong color, and it was very, very sad because then nobody else had the color. Even though we pre-ordered it and pre-ordered the right color, they just sent the wrong color to me. I had to wait. The wait is over. Woo! Feels amazing. I love it. 64 gigabytes. This is 32 gigabytes. We about to have fun. Ooh. I don't even want to open it. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer to see what's going on. So excited. And I hope they have the little pin thing, because I don't have one to put that in there. Here we go. Hello. It's my iPhone stick. Oh. Hello. Face recognition. Tell me all the new features, because it's not the same as the old. My iPhone stickers. And here is my pen. Beautiful presentation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful presentation. There's a little pull tab here. Ooh, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. It's actually kind of heavy. Whew, this is amazing. I usually get clear cases for my iPhones because I think iPhones are just beautiful as is. Oh, that's so satisfying. I'm bringing it closer. Ugh, perfect. Oh my gosh. It's so smooth. This is a nice phone. Got my headphones, the little port thing. Charger, charging port, headphones, SIM card, SIM pin. This is my SIM card thing. That's my SIM card. Okay. 1, keep your phone off. Get your SIM card. Insert your SIM. Oh, look at that. There's one here too. Well, I like this one better because it's blue. Blue is my favorite color. Now place the SIM card chip side down. I ain't done this in years. All right. Go online to activate. I'll be back. I'm gonna go activate this SIM card. We'll be ready to roll. We're good to go. Again, initial reaction with this, the case, is super small. But the weight of this and the actual phone makes up for the fact that it's way smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. This feels like luxury. Luxurious, beautiful, stunning.
Swipe up to open. Hola, English. I'm in the United States. Quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Well, hopefully, I mean, you guys are right there, so hopefully that's close enough. Okay, let's see. No, not close enough. Actually, never mind. Set up manually. I haven't updated my phone. I'm signing into my account here. Okay. Another few minutes to activate.
Okay, oh, hello, Face ID. iPhone can recognize the unique three-dimensional features of your face to unlock automatically and make purchases from iTunes and app stores. I don't like that only because sometimes I pick up my phone and I just want to see the time. I don't want my phone unlocked. But if it sees my face, it's going to unlock. Also, purchasing stuff. Sometimes I go to purchase, I press get, I read what it says. So if I'm doing like this and I'm looking at it, I don't want that to recognize as an okay to purchase when I don't want to purchase.
How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show the angles of your face. Okay, I get it. Okay. Here's my face. Now move it in a circle. Wait, it's not even focusing. Okay, I get it, but wait. First Face ID scan complete. So I did it. Oh, come on, face. Second Face ID scan.
Face ID is now set up. Ooh, don't look at my passcode, guys. So take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Hello? All right. Sounds beautiful. I don't like my location on unless I'm using the maps for a specific thing that needs it. I also don't like, I hate Siri. Oh my gosh, she's so useless. Anyway, I don't do any of this. I really, really do not. So, this. Let's put the case on while it's doing this. There it is. And now, this one's the top. Snap it in. Snap, snap, and snap it in. Perfect. And what I like about this case is it's like high shine, really nice, same as the actual phone itself.
Swipe up from the bottom edge and pause to show the app switcher. I don't want to ask you anything. Swipe up to get started.
Hello, phone, in all your wondrous glory. Let's send it. Oh,
Yeah, do that, hon. That's
where's Daddy at? Let's send it. We're doing the Face ID thing. And emoji. So there's the monkey. Be a monkey, a robot,
or like anything.
cat, dog, alien. You can see when I'm talking.
Let me check. Ooh,
Whoa, whoa. We had a fox, poop, pig, panda, rabbit, chicken,
unicorn.
and the infamous unicorn.
1, 2, ready, record.
Hi, I'm a unicorn. Nay, nay. I don't know what unicorns sound like. That's it. Thank you for watching. Oh, it's getting hot. That's not good. I've never had a hot iPhone before. It's really, really hot, really, really fast. I didn't do anything. I mean, it's loading up the stuff, and I did do the little message thing, but that was it. Not for it to be so hot. I don't understand that. My phone, I've never had a hot iPhone. I've never ever in my life felt an iPhone get this hot. Especially this fast. That is weird. A little bit concerning. Maybe it's the case, maybe it's not. So, bye.